Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Can you go to jail for using pirated software? Using or distributing pirated software constitutes a violation of software copyright law. Companies and individuals face up to $150,000 in penalties for every instance. They've also committed a felony that can lead to up to 5 years in prison. Is pirating Flash illegal? Broadly speaking, pirating anything is illegal, whether it's software, movies, games, TV shows, or whatever else. People do it, though, because they are essentially rational players, as a family friend once described it. Can you go to jail for Photoshop? Photoshop is just a part of life for the Instagram influencer, though for influencers living in Norway, it could land them in jail. Influencers who are found to be in violations of the new law could be subject to fines or could even face imprisonment.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.